What a beautiful sunrise. Sunrise. Hello everyone. Ilang This is my new vlog for today's video. Right now I'm going to explore the new places of this beautiful city. I'm just joking. Here I am at the window of our building. Two, 2 days from now, our duty here will comes to an end. So, I enjoy every moment right now and exploring every floor of this building. But for now, I don't know. I don't know what will happen to us. But one thing is certain is from now on, I'm going to enjoy this moment. The last day of my remaining days. Right now I currently study English right now to improve my English communication skills. I'm going to apply in a call center because I believe in a salary offers a high salary to provide what my daily needs. My daily needs. I don't know what happened to me, but I many people told me that I'm young and I still have way to go. Next month, March 27, I kid, I sorry. March 24, my birthday. I don't know we still in that my birthday I'm going to celebrate it or not because I don't know what is going to happen for tomorrow because I don't know whether my job or or still or currently looking for a job. I don't know what happened to me next month, but next month I'm going to be 27 years old. March 24, 1997. See ya.